Hi, welcome back, Mr. Yu's channel. Today we will be unboxing something that I found in the internet. This is, I believe it's useful for the safety, for road safety for our vehicles. This is actually a tire pressure monitoring system. Yeah, I just bought this one, so I'm kind of curious how it will it really work. So it's called Steelmate X1, and I think this comes with two models. I just bought one with external installation. So let's go start it. Let's see. Okay, we have this user manual. Well, everything is in Chinese, but I think by just looking at the pictures, something it's easy to operate. Then we have, I think this is the main unit. So it comes with the solar panel, and I think this is solar powered, and it also has a micro USB for charging. So it's actually dual. You can charge it with the USB powered to your lighter outlet, or you can have it charged via the solar panel. And then we have this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 sensors. There's a proper label. Again, it's in Chinese. I think this is the back left tire. Then we have the front left tire. So it goes with the tires, and I think this is actually just a plug and play, and then it comes with small tools, screws, and 2 tapes, 3M. I think this is for us to just fix it on our dash. And let's see, it comes with 2 buttons, and to turn it on, let's just press 3 seconds. There you go. Okay, and then we have the front right, front left, the rear right, rear or the back left, and we can set the temperature. Right now it's not accurate. Well, according to the user manual, when the speed reaches up to 25 kilometers per hour, that's the only time that it will start reading, proper reading. Then we can set it by pressing this button. We hear the beep, and then we can change the settings, like it's PSI. We can change it to bar. Okay, let's take the high pressure. Let's put it at 40, and then the low pressure, well, I think 24 is okay. And then this is also, it comes with a temperature monitoring. Like we can set the high temperature. Okay, and then let's see what happens with the temperature. Okay, 71. Okay, and let's just assume 80. This is centigrade, degree centigrade. And after setting, let's just press again this one, the one with the wrench symbol, for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then it's done. So it's just as simple as this. I think this is very useful since, well, tire pressure is also one of the factors of accidents. And yeah, let's just turn it off by pressing 3 seconds on this button. Well, I have had close calls accidents due to my tire bursting, due to low pressure, high temperature. So, well, I think this is going to be something that's useful, and we'll install this in a while.